Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make the keyboard of your smartphone smaller if it is enlarged. So let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to open any browser to launch the keyboard. Here, as you can see, the size of the keyboard is big. I want to make it small, so you can do that as well by following these steps. The first thing you need to do is to tap on the gear icon here. Once you do that, you need to scroll a bit where you will find size and transparency. All you need to do is to tap on it, and here, as you can see, the size of the keyboard. All you need to do is to tap and hold this and drag it down. So this is the smallest size of the keyboard. If you want to make it a bit bigger than that one, you can do that as well. Once you're done, all you need to do is to tap on the done option, and that is it. If I go back now, as you can see, it has been resized. So guys, this is how you can change the size of the keyboard on your smartphone. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.